In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to do estimation in Jira. If you want to plan work more accurately and make your board easier to manage, setting up estimation correctly is an important first step. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to enable estimation in your Jira project and then how to add an estimate directly to an issue. Start by going to your Jira project board. Near the project name, click the three-dot menu. This opens additional project options that aren't always visible from the main board view. From that menu, click Space Settings. This is where you can control how the project behaves, including which features are available to your team. Once you're in the settings area, click Features. The Features section is where Jira lets you turn certain tools on or off depending on how your team wants to work. Now, look for Estimation and click on it. This is the setting that determines how work will be measured in the project. Jira typically lets you choose between time-based estimation and story point estimation. Time estimates are useful when you want to track work in hours or days, while story points are often used by agile teams to represent effort, complexity, and uncertainty. At this point, select between time or story points. In this example, choose story points. This is a common option for Scrum teams because it helps compare work items without tying them too strictly to exact hours. After selecting story points, go back to your board. Returning to the board allows you to start applying that estimation method to actual issues. Next, open an issue. You can do this by clicking any task, story, or item on the board that you want to estimate. Opening the issue will display its details, including the fields available for planning and tracking. Once the issue is open, scroll down until you find the story point estimate field. When you see it, enter a value. This number should reflect the relative effort for completing the issue based on your team's estimation approach. For example, teams often use values like 1, 2, and or it to represent increasing effort. After you enter the value, the issue will now carry that estimate, making it easier to use in sprint planning, backlog refinement, and team capacity discussions. That's all it takes to set up and use estimation in Jira. The key idea is that you first enable the estimation method in project settings, and then you apply the estimate inside each issue. Once this is configured, your team can start planning work in a more consistent and visible way.